So in this video, we'll make our folder structure and also speak about the package we're gonna use in this application. So for this, I had created a folder and give it name of server and just open it in your terminal. So I'm gonna use cd and give the path of your folder and hit enter. Here I'm gonna just initialize it using npm space init space -y. So that will gonna create a package.json file for me, and after that we'll add the further dependency. So there you can see I had got the package.json file inside my server folder. So I'm going to just open it with the VS Code. So just use open folder and redirect to your folder location. And there I have my folder named server. Just select the folder. So I'm going to use terminal now just to open it, and this is our package.json file. There you can see for now we haven't any dependency yet, so let's install some dependency that we need in this project. So for install the package, I'm going to use npm called node package manager. So npm space I, and I'm going to use config for make our config files, also course and express express validator. Also I'm going to use JSON web token to for private API. I'm going to use JWT, and I'm going to use mongoose to communicate our MongoDB, and also I'm going to use node cron to schedule the job. Just hit enter. It will take a few seconds or few minutes, that depend on your internet. So there you can see I had installed all of these dependency, and if you see the package.json file inside dependency, I got all of these packages. Also it's a create node module folder for me. So let's create some folder as well. So first of all, I'm going to use index.js file. This should be entry file of our server. After that, I'm gonna just create few folders. So first of all, I'm gonna use config. Inside it, I'll use all of configuration like our db string or our secret for JWT. I'll put inside config. Next folder I'm going to use for middleware. Inside it, I'll create our auth file that hold the request first for the private API. And next one, I'm going to use the utils. Inside it, you can use your reusable code like reusable functions. You can simply pass inside utils. Next folder I'm going to create for model. Inside it, the schema for our collection should be inside models. And next folder I'm going to create for the routes. Inside route, I'm going to create one more folder called API. Inside it, I'll define all of the routes of our API there. So we'll include further files well when we start working with our project. Depend on the requirement, I'll create the more file inside. And inside config, I'm gonna just create a file called db.js. Inside it, I'll make all of my database connection. Next file, I'm gonna use default.json. Inside default.json, I'm gonna pass the string that we'll use throughout the app, and inside middleware, I'm gonna create a file called auth.js. So now we're good to go. We'll add more file as per requirement. That's all of our folder structure and package. So we'll continue from the next video.